Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 5 divided by x minus 1 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1. Factor the numerator of the rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 5. To simplify it, first, look for two numbers that multiply to -5 and add to 4. These numbers are 5 and -1. Rewrite x squared plus 4x minus 5 as x plus 5 times x minus 1. So, the expression x squared plus 4x minus 5 over x minus 1 becomes x plus 5 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. Step 2. Cancel the common factors in the numerator and denominator if they exist. To simplify the rational expression further, here, we have x plus 5 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. Notice that x minus 1 is a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator. So, we can cancel out x minus 1 in both the numerator and the denominator, leaving us with just x plus 5. Thus, our expression simplifies to x plus 5. This is the final step, and the rational expression is now in its simplest form.